How to download iPhone apps faster. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Here, tap on the Wi-Fi option to manage your wireless network connections. On the Wi-Fi screen, tap on the information icon next to your currently connected network. Then, locate the Low Data Mode option and tap the toggle switch to turn it off. Now, return to your home screen and find the app that was paused. Long press on the app icon to bring up a menu of options. From this menu, select Prioritize Download. This will resume the download and make it a priority over other network activities. Once finished, the app will be fully installed and ready to use. Following these steps, you can easily download iPhone apps faster. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.